Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. So today I will be doing a clean with me video, starting off with folding my laundry. I am completely booked and it was very important that I started today as far as folding and putting them away. Now what I like to do is fold up all my towels for upstairs and downstairs, and then I will separate the clothes based on the person, and then everyone does their job as far as putting things away. I have a teenager and a toddler, so they are learning to do their own chores. And then my husband is a truck driver, so he's barely home, so I do fold and put his things away. I decided to put up a YouTube video, and it just kept making me smile. I love positive motivational videos and just inspiration, just to keep me going and keep me in good spirit. So leave a comment down below on what it is that you're watching right now that just keep you in a good mood, and also leave a comment if you like to give me some sort of suggestions on what kind of videos you guys would like to see next. I would truly like to hear if you guys like me talking in the process, or you prefer just to enjoy the music and the motivation of the video. Now I'm putting up all the towels. This is my restroom, me and my husband's restroom. And then now it's time to fold up the clothes, hang up the clothes. So when I hang up my clothes, I like to be able to put them based on color coordination, if that's how you're supposed to say it. So pinks with pinks, reds with red, so it could be easier when it's time for us to pick out our outfits. So we are now in the closet, and we only have one drawer with all the socks, and that is in my husband's dresser drawer. And I do not fold them, but at least we know where they are. This is my first load of clothes that I am washing. I have a little bit left that I have to do upstairs. I have towels that is left. Living room time. So this is my husband's man cave. We're barely in here, and it's kind of decent, but it still needs some attention.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest.
So in the process of cleaning, I'll try to make sure I stay on top of my laundry. This will be my last load of clothes to do for today and towels. I didn't do the fold and put away. I was just too exhausted after everything else that I had to do. But I just wanted to focus on getting everything washed. Now we are in the dining room. So now we are in the kitchen. It's pretty messy, and I would say this is an everyday thing of a family of 4. And in the process of cleaning, I noticed that I need to pick a day and do some deep cleaning.
sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
Now it's time to clean up my bedroom. It's pretty late, but I still wanted to make up my bed to make sure it's welcoming when I go to sleep. And of course I wanted to get this video out with you guys as well.
When you're next to me,
Last thing is to mop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it at the end of this video, put a smiley face in the comments. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe. Bye.